G'day, I'm Adam from My Home Turf, and today I'm going to share some top tips about mowing. So when mowing, important thing to remember is never mow more than a third of the leaf at a time. If you want to take your lawn down a little bit in the spring, that's fine. Mow it, leave it a day, and then do it again. So the most important thing with mowing is sharp mower blades. If you want to do it at home, that's fine by using a grinder. If not, take it to your specialised local dealer. So one of the simplest things that you can do for your mower is have yourself some clean, fresh fuel. And another thing, check your air filters. And finally, keep your lawnmower maintained. Keep it nice and clean, get it serviced regularly, use genuine parts, and it'll add life to the years of your mower.